Hello everyone, welcome to the Affordable Poster online training course. In this episode, I would like to show you remote control. When your poster has some issues and we probably need to do a remote control, before that you need to prepare your laptop and the cables to connect your laptop to the poster. When we do the remote control, that means the laptop must has internet. So you cannot use the laptop connected to the poster via the Wi-Fi. So you have to prepare two cables. One is the HDMI cable and another one is USB cable. And the port is different, is this type. So we need to use the cables to connect your laptop and to the poster. Let me show you here. And from the HDMI will be from your laptop, then to the HDMI import of the poster. And another cable from your USB port, from the USB port to the poster. Yeah, we have connected. Also, we can double check if the poster is online. Now we can see that the poster. This is the ID of the poster. It's online now, and we don't have the Wi-Fi connection of the poster.